fast food. It's everywhere. It's convenient, especially on road trips. But, in restaurants, while being a major jump up in quality, they can really take a bite out of your wallet. Why not learn how to make incredible dishes like these, which I can guarantee you are so simple and cheap? Just like me. When I was a little kid, I used to watch my Uncle Ron grill chicken at our family camp in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. I was just amazed at the whole process, and when I had my own apartment in Milwaukee, I bought myself a hibachi grill and did front porch cooking. Over the years, I moved all over the country, got better grills, even had a big green egg for 10 years. Then my wife and I moved to a college town in Illinois, and I left the big green egg behind and got a basic Weber. I didn't use it much though. We used to go out and eat most of the time. We live in an area with over 200 restaurants and cafes, so we never ran out of options until COVID hit. All of a sudden, most places closed, some temporary, others permanent. And of course, it was scary going out there and dealing with people, so I decided it was time to up my cooking skills. I went to YouTube, did my research, subscribed to a lot of the cooking channels, and started taking notes. I found a Camp Chef 4-burner flat-top grill on sale, brought it home, set it up, got a propane tank, and was ready to go. But could I really make my wife and me happy with my skill set? She had health issues, so I had to do the cooking. I was used to doing the basics, the grilled chicken, burgers, hot dogs, steaks, that sort of thing. But now I was taking on something a whole lot more involved. Different dishes every day, most of them cooked out on the back porch. I don't have a big budget, but I was able to get the basics. The Weber grill, the flat top, and a $70 home deep fryer. I soon found out that I had everything I needed to make some righteous dishes. But could I actually make those righteous dishes? I am not a chef by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just a guy who had to take over when COVID hit. Well, both my wife and I would answer that question with an emphatic yes. This was a classic example of when life hands you lemons, make lemonade. Speaking of that, I have an amazing lemonade recipe that I'll be posting soon. Yeah, we still go out from time to time, but we usually find that the food I cook tastes a lot better and is way easier on our budget. Anyway, not trying to sound like a tournament of cliches here, but if I can do it, you can do it. Get yourself a Weber grill or something similar. Get a flat top grill if possible. If you can't do that, get a cast iron topper to set on the grill. Get one of those home deep fryers. No, not an air fryer. If you can't do that, get a big cast iron fry pan to set on the grill. You'll see how easy it is to do back porch cooking in no time.